Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will tell you how to add the to-do list feature to your app. Now let's add the to-do list feature. Go to my feature section, click on view all and search to-do list. Click on the feature to add it to your app. This is your feature or page name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here you can change the feature icon. If you want, you can select a solid icon or outline icon or an image from our library, or upload your own custom icon. You can even upload 2 different images for the mobile app and website. Now let's move to the content section. Enter the title of your to-do list in this field. From here you can change the to-do list icon. If you want, you can select an icon from our library or upload a custom icon. Now add the heading for your task. Once you have added the heading for your task, then add a description for the defined task. If you want, you can also make the task description field active or inactive. If inactive, the task description will not be displayed on the app. Now click on Add More button if you want to add multiple descriptions for a particular task. If you want to delete the task description, then click on the trash can icon. Similarly, you can add multiple to-do lists and add tasks. You can check the functionality on the simulation screen. Coming to language settings, under language settings you can manage all text, alerts, and messages showing up on the app. Now let's change the layout and color scheme of the to-do list feature. Click on this color palette icon to change the page style and color scheme. Next, click on advanced style and navigation here. Here you can set the page elements, color, and font size. If you want, you can also hide the search box from the task screen by tick marking this checkbox. Once you're done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.